Hey you guys, welcome to the blog. Y'all, I'm trying to hype myself up, okay? So let's stand in front of this darn thing right here. Okay, so we are in the bathroom, 1 of 6, and I'm trying to stand in front of this light. And in this video, I know y'all seen the title, we finna clean 5 of the 6 bathrooms we about to clean. Pray for me. We in the main one now, in the owner suite, in the Mr. one. We're gonna start with this one, and we're gonna work our way around. Pray we get this done. I'm gonna put my watch on to see how many steps and all that I get, and cause I need that. Cause yeah, your girl, 5 out of 6 bathrooms. You can do it. Let's turn the music back on. We got this. Turn the music on. So we get our dance out. I'm finna show y'all the bathroom now. It's looking real cray. And then I'm gonna show y'all the after. Oh, and also in this video, we're gonna paint these black. We gotta say it low so the mister won't hear us. He in the closet right now. But we're gonna paint these black. I want them black. But this is the bathroom. The shower is disgusting. It needs to be clean. And I need to clean off the counter. It's disgusting. And mop the floors. And of course, clean the water closet area. I never really show y'all that because that's a toilet. Who want to see it? But I'm about to clean all that. So let's get into this cleaning. Okay, y'all. The fan on in there because I'm trying to dry the floor. But this is the bathroom. Now that we have clean everything, now I'm about to move to the next bathroom. The floors are wet. I forgot to grab my things, but good thing is I got stuff like this downstairs, so I don't have to worry about those. But yeah, I left those up, y'all. The mister won't let me paint them. And yeah, look, yeah, he said no, so yeah. Okay, this is bathroom number 2. This is the hallway bathroom. Y'all excuse the mess. We're trying to clean up. That's trash. Those are the rugs from my bathroom. I'm gonna grab these rugs and put them in the hallway as well so we can wash those. And the shower is not too dirty. I don't know why that thing is out of the... I'm going to put that back. But I'm going to clean the shower. I'm going to fix these. We're going to wash the rugs. Mop because it's super dirty. Clean the toilet. Wipe this thing down. Wipe all this down. Fix that. I don't know. The little monster had to use this bathroom for about 2 months because hers was... girl going through the rigmarole. I think I still have clips of that or pictures or something. I'll tag those pictures how her bathroom had a leak and it leaked into the ceiling downstairs and the holes, and I'll tag all that in this video as well so y'all can see the turmoil of her bathroom. But I'm gonna wipe this down. This is what this bathroom looked like, and again, it's just the hallway bathroom for this bedroom and my craft room use the same bathroom. But yeah, y'all, we got 6 beds, 6 baths, but we're gonna add a 7th down the line. So let's get this clean, straightened up, and turn our music back on because we was jamming. Left, do it, right, do it, left, do it, right, do it, left, do it, right, do it. Okay, y'all, we got the fan on, of course, because we mop, so it's going to be a little bit loud, but this is what is given. I fixed this, and I also fixed that one. We mop, cleaned everything. All the stuff is sitting out here. I'm going to place it back once the floor dries. Now, this bathroom, this restroom, rather, the mister already started on it, and I mopped that. He cleaned it already. See, the floors is pretty much dry. He hanging up the shower curtain in here, and those are going up. This is what this one looks like. Remember, this is the gym. We're gonna hang this up, and then that goes in there too. Trash can going back in there, and this is the third bathroom right here, and this is gym. That you gotta watch the video for that. But yeah, so our gym, I cleaned the floor last night. It's a whole nother video for that as well. But yeah, let me get back to the music, and I see all I mess from the gym and out, girl, yeah, everything, everywhere. Okay. Okay, y'all, we're back in the owner suite. Here it is, all clean and stuff. The shower all nice and clean. Everything back where it's supposed to be. Everything where it's supposed to be. And yeah, the water closet is clean and smelling good. Turn it on. It's clean and smelling good. Yeah. Okay, this is the gym bathroom, and Mr. hung up the shower curtain. He also hung up the pictures. Then you can see where I washed the picture off with the wipes. But yeah, we're not doing too much to this bathroom because it's just for the gym, so the temporary gym. But that's the third bathroom. Now let me get the second bathroom back together, and I'll show y'all that, and then we'll reconvene tomorrow. Okay, here's the second bathroom. We have put everything back where it belongs. It's nice and clean now. Floor is mopped. The mister is gonna paint this. I don't know what's going on right here, but he's gonna paint over it. And the rugs for all the bathrooms are currently in the wash. But yeah, this is number 2. I showed y'all number 3. Showed y'all number 1. And yeah, this is what this one looks like. And I'll show y'all 4 and 5 tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is day 2 of us cleaning 5 out of 6 of our bathrooms. Us as in me. The mister helped me yesterday though. But today I am in our half bath downstairs, and then I'm going to do the other bathroom that's in the guest room downstairs as well. And that's 4 and 5. This is 4 that I'm standing in currently, and then that will be 5. And the 6th bathroom I already added in this video. Y'all seen that was a little monster's bathroom, and it was going through its chaos and all the extra, and it's clean and all that. Now she's currently using it, so let me know below if y'all want to see that bathroom as well. Y'all want to see all 6 bathrooms together, let me know and I'll do that. But yeah, we in bathroom 4. It's not much because it's a half bath, but it's a big half bath. And I'm just going to mop the floor, wipe everything down, clean the rugs, those going in the washer. And my towels are currently like this. And yeah, we're going to fix this one because it looks real crazy. Fix that one, fill that up with some soap, wipe everything down, wipe down the little plants. And this is what we got going on in here. This is the pictures. Then we have the toilet. This is the floor we're gonna mop. This side is cool the way it is. And I honestly want to get like a little shelf or something to go up in here. It was being used by somebody else, so we didn't have anything in here. But now I think I want to put a little shelf or something in here. But yeah, let me show you how big it is. So this is the whole bathroom. So we just finna clean everything, wipe everything down, and mop the floors, sweep, mop, and all of that. So let's get started. Okay, the fan's on because the floor is wet. We have mopped, dust everything down, changed out the soaps, changed out the wall plug. Only thing we have to do now is put back the rugs in that one rag once I wash it, and put the toilet tissue in the garbage can back in there. The trash can, garbage can, whichever one y'all call it. Okay, so bathroom number 5. This is what it's giving. I don't know what's on this curtain, but we're going to take it down and wash it. This is the guest bedroom downstairs. Don't know why, but they always seem to use this rag and towel I have hanging there. We're going to put one there, wash the rugs. This is what it's looking like. We're going to fix that. And they always use my rags that I have there for decoration. We're going to wipe all this up. This is all my cleaning stuff. This is for the tub. I got it charging. It's on 100%. The toilet area, add some tissue and all that to it. You got the wipes. Empty this trash can. This tub. The tub, it looks okay. We can wipe it down. You can use a wipe down. But I'm definitely taking this curtain down to wash it. But yeah, it shouldn't be much. We're going to mop, of course, and wipe down the mirror and all the extra. This is what we've been using for the downstairs, the Clorox wipes, this bang thing. I think that came from Dollar Tree. The Windex. This is for the refill of the soap dispensers. This is to clean the toilet. Something simple, something quick. I hope I can find my rags and towels that goes in here, because every time I have company, they use them and they put them in the dirty clothes. This is the bedroom, y'all. They put them in the dirty clothes, and the mister usually put them away. But where he put them, I think he put them in the closet down here. So I'm going to look for those. But yeah, this is what we're giving. Now let's empty it out and get started. Okay, y'all. Bathroom all clean. Took the shower curtain down and the plastic liner. Comment below, let me know if y'all clean that, because I just threw it in the washer. It needed to be in there. Okay, that's the toilet area. Clean this off, wipe off the mirror, and yeah, y'all, now I'm just waiting for the floor to dry and the stuff in the washer to finish washing so I can throw it in the dryer. So here is here are the things that was in the bathroom. I wiped everything down. I'm just waiting on the floor to dry to put it all back. I did find some of the rags, so I put put some of them back on there, y'all. I usually get these cheap rags from like Dollar Tree, Walmart, you know, one of them just for decoration, but for some reason my guests always seem to use them. But they usually just for decoration. And I did have some blue up there as well to match the blue in the room. And I found these 2 towels. I don't think these the 2 towels that I actually bought to go up there on the rack, but we're gonna put it up there anyways. And yeah, y'all, these things right here came from Dollar Tree, and this is Amazon. Of course, these are Dollar Tree. And y'all notice these are in every bathroom except the gym bathroom. I gotta refill this. Every bathroom except the gym bathroom. I'm about to take this upstairs and refill this, because apparently my guests have been using these. But yeah, so once the floor dries and all the stuff finish washing and drying, I'll finish showing you guys the last 2 of the bathrooms, 4 and 5, and then we'll end this video. So guys, we are finally finished with all 5 bathrooms. 5 out of 6. Here we go. Okay, smells good in here. Changed out everything. Hung that up right. Cleaned everything. Put the rugs back down. Let me straighten that one up because I just messed it up. Put the rugs back down. Yeah, mop. Smells really good in here. Now, Excuse that on the bed, y'all. I just put that there. Bathroom looking good. Shower curtain is clean. New towels are hung up. Yeah, this is what this got going on. Mirror is clean. Everything is clean. Literally everything. The floor's been mopped. Rugs been washed. Smelling good. Looking good. Bars. Okay, y'all, I don't think I showed the finish of this part that the little monster bathroom was leaking. It was a big hole right here. Y'all see the hole is completely gone and covered up. Yeah, so the hole is completely gone and covered up, as you can see. But y'all, that's all we have for the video. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoy seeing all 6 our bathrooms. Technically, you seen the 6th bathroom, but you didn't see me clean it. I just showed y'all them working on it in the catastrophe and all that. So thanks for watching. Thumbs up the video, hit that post notification bell, hit that subscribe button, share with all your friends and your aunties and uncles and cousins and them. Look, and them. Share with them. And also comment below, since we're cleaning the bathrooms, comment below a bathtub. Period.